meditation on suicide. My tutor, Triyang Rinpoche, told me the story of a man from Kham province who was very unhappy and who had decided to throw himself into the Sangpo River in Lhasa. He took with him a bottle of alcohol and told himself that he would jump once he had drunk the bottle. To begin with, he was overwhelmed with emotion. Once he reached the river's edge, he sat for a moment on the bank. As he was slow to make up his mind to jump in, he began to drink some alcohol. And as this failed to give him enough courage, he drank a little more. Finally, he walked home with the empty bottle under his arm. Words to meditate on. Stories. Everything's a story. Made a good one for you.